Imagine a wall of water, towering 1,000 feet high, crashing onto the U.S. West Coast. It sounds like a scene from a disaster movie. But scientists warn this could be a chilling reality. A mega tsunami, triggered by a massive earthquake along the Cascadia Subduction Zone, poses a grave threat to millions of lives, critical infrastructure, and entire ecosystems. But here's where it gets controversial. While experts agree on the risk, the question of when this could happen divides opinions. Some say it's a matter of decades, while others believe it could strike at any moment. And this is the part most people miss. The last time this fault line unleashed its fury was in 1700, and the consequences today would be far more catastrophic due to our densely populated coastal cities. The Cascadia Subduction Zone, a 600-mile-long fault stretching from Northern California to Vancouver Island, is a ticking time bomb. Research suggests a staggering 15% chance of a magnitude 8.0 or greater earthquake occurring within the next 50 years. Such an event wouldn't just shake the ground, it could cause coastal land to sink by up to 6.5 feet and generate tsunami waves hundreds of feet high. Southern Washington, northern Oregon, and northern California are particularly vulnerable, though Alaska and Hawaii, with their own seismic activity, aren't entirely off the hook. But is society prepared for such a disaster? Critics argue that current emergency plans are woefully inadequate. Evacuation protocols, resilient infrastructure, and community preparedness drills are often overlooked. Without urgent action, a mega tsunami could claim 30,000 lives, damage over 70,000 structures, and inflict $81 billion in economic losses. Yet, some experts counter that over-preparing could cause unnecessary panic and strain resources. What do you think? Are we doing enough to safeguard our coastal communities, or are we sleepwalking into a catastrophe? If a tsunami warning sounds, here's what you need to know to stay safe. First, evacuate immediately, even if official alerts haven't arrived. Head to higher ground, at least 30 meters above sea level. Prepare an emergency kit in advance, stored in a waterproof, easily accessible bag, and ensure your pets have identification. If sheltering at home, move to an upper floor. Stay informed via battery-powered radios and avoid coastal areas entirely. Most importantly, wait for the official all clear before returning. Subsequent waves can be even more destructive than the first. This isn't just a scientific hypothesis, it's a call to action. Are we ready to face the wave, or will we be caught off guard? Let's spark the conversation. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to stay informed by following trusted sources like thehealthsite.com for the latest updates. Subscribe to our newsletter today and be part of the dialogue that could save lives.